Shit. Yeah, 5 carats, 5 carats. That's 10. That's gonna get you in. 100,000, 100,000. You can buy a Lamborghini with these heels right here. I can hear a Lamborghini coming when I wake up in the morning. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Diamond boy, man. There you go. All right, that's the puppet. Back of the space we go. Welcome to Fights. Live your life. It's $1 million in my mouth now. Don't forget that either. Yeah. You know, I cash for you to share. Bugs Bunny ain't got more cash than me. You know what I'm talking about? You hear me? It's me. You hear me? Man, y'all need to come on back to this motherfucker. I can take you to Splash Town. It's so really go down, though. You know what I'm saying? Get you here behind the scenes how we really do this thing. Yeah. No. Yeah. You ain't done. Give them a little bit more flavor. Give them a little bit more flavor.
Alright now, so first of all, I want to thank y'all so much for tapping into my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. And clip I do show y'all, that was Walka, the legend from Houston. He decided to pull up on Johnny Dang. And Johnny Dang has been, around for almost 2 decades now in the rap industry, supplying rappers with new jewelry and new chains. And it's just nice to see, a brother doing good and being able to buy new chains and jewelry for his money and spend money on himself after all the success. So let me know what you think about this. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.